Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash. And today we are starting a lot earlier than usual. It is 8:45 right now in the morning. That's significantly earlier than I normally get started. I actually got up at 6 a.m. I cleaned my room. I put away all the stuff because I just got back from California. And I just got the day started a lot earlier than usual. I already got all the orders packed for the day. And we're about to drive over to the mail place and just get all my stuff done, hopefully before 12 o'clock, and then I can just kind of chill for the rest of the day, or maybe get more ahead. But anyway, so today's topic, before we get the video started, I wanted to talk about how people perceive themselves. And I think this is so important, especially if you want to better yourself, whether it's fitness, whether it's your financials, however you want to better yourself, you have to change your perception of who you are. Now, I mean that as serious as possible, and as silly as that sounds, you really have to change your perception of who you are. Now, let's say you're a 300-pound person and you're always telling yourself like, oh, I'm just a normal guy. I'm always going to work a minimum wage job. It just runs in my family. Then you're always going to be that same person. But if you're that same person and you tell yourself, no, you know what? I'm going to be a very fit individual. I want to weigh 185 pounds, solid muscle, and I want to be a millionaire. You have to picture yourself as that. You have to picture yourself as who you're going to be, who you want to be. And now I do this all the time. When I think, probably a couple months ago or so, I realized I was like, I'm 30 years old now. I've really got to get my stuff together. I got to dress better. I got to change people's perception of who I am. If I want to be a billionaire, which I do, I gotta act like one, and I gotta act as if this is who I want to be, and I have to really change the way I act and just everything about it. So that's just personally what I think, and take what you want. But I hope that everyone who comes to my channel learns something rather than just watch my stuff for content, because I'm trying to give out as much free information as I possibly can. So that being said, if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing that like button and also subscribing to the channel. So let's get this daily dash started. So we are logged in right now in Green Valley. We are basically gonna try to get a DoorDash on the way to either the post office or to the gym. I'm trying to get all my stuff done in the beginning parts of the day, so that way I can, probably get ahead later or something. So basically, if you guys are new to the channel, what I try to do is take you guys basically through my errands throughout the day, and I try to group as many things as I possibly can into a small period of time, essentially recreating the 4-hour work week. And what I do is I do a few DoorDash orders, make like 20 to 30 bucks or so. I drop off all the shoe orders. So if you guys don't know, I own a footwear company called Off Axis. We make shoes for acrobats, MMA fighters, hiking, anything outdoor stuff. So if you guys haven't yet, check out offaxisacrobatics.com. Use my discount code OFFAXIS10 for 30% off. But I drop off the shoe orders, I go to the gym, I respond to all my emails, usually while I'm finishing, sitting in the parking lot, drinking my coffee or pre-workout. I always start the day with, this is coffee. It's basically black coffee, but I put a little bit of almond milk in it. Try to keep the calories extremely low, under 25, so that way I can continue my fast. Today, I feel like, I'll be honest, I'm probably about 160 pounds right now. That's pretty shredded for me, and I don't feel like I need to lose too much more weight. I've been trying to lose weight because I do have shows coming up. I'm an acrobat, so I have some shows coming up. So we're drinking a protein shake on the way to the gym today. Not really trying to fast too much, but I do want to get in enough protein at least. Now, if you guys are trying to get into better shape, number one thing you got to do is get your protein. If you just increase your protein, everything's going to feel better. Your body's going to feel better. Your brain's going to feel better. You're going to sleep better. Your body's going to move better. Everything. Just increase your protein. If I could give one tip to people, increase your protein. So first order comes in. It goes pretty far north, and I'm not going north, so that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for east right now because I'm driving to the gym. It's about 5 miles east, and the post office is about 1 mile north out of the way. So that's ideally what we're looking for. See, I gotta be honest, this McDonald's order $3.75. It's exactly where I need to go, but we're not doing anything for $3.75, that's for sure. We're probably gonna end up at the post office before we get an order, because we're probably only like a mile away or so. So then hopefully we just get one. We just gotta go east then. That's all we're looking for. Got another one, but it is literally backtracking. It's the opposite direction that I want to go. It's to Canes though, but damn. Yep, it's totally out of the way though. Can't do it. Shoes ordered, or shoes mailed, check. All right, now to try to get a Doordash on the way. So basically this is an easy, simple way that I feel like anyone can make an extra 50 bucks a day without really going out of your way at all. Like, I am just straight up driving to the gym. It'd be funny if we don't get any orders on the way, because typically every single day this is what I do, and we typically always get an order. So, but maybe because I said that, we might not get an order. But anyway, so basically if you just run your errands throughout the day and do the things you were already going to do, and you just do a DoorDash on the each way, you can make an extra 50 bucks, no problem. And that 50 bucks, that adds up to what? $1,700 a month or so, maybe a little bit less or so. Just do an extra 50 bucks a day, just casually just wait for an order on the way, or you know, just log in while you're at the gym or something. That's what I do. I just log in a little bit right before I'm about to go do something, and hopefully I get an order on the way. If I don't, then no big deal, you know? And as long as you're always making, like, it's not like I don't do it as a full-time job anymore, but it is like the icing on the cake, you know? It's like, oh yeah, I forgot about that extra $300 that I made this week. Just left the gym, gotta get my protein shake in. We got an order, as I said we would. We got an order from Einstein Bros, and it delivers a mile west, so maybe just maybe we can get 2 orders that go west, because I live about 5 miles west of here, so I gotta drive 5 miles anyways. So that wasn't a loud static, that was just an annoying static. So either way, I'm driving that way, and yeah, be right back. I'm a little out of breath. All right, we got the order. It is 2 breakfast sandwiches from Einstein Bros. Gonna make 7 bucks real quick. Kind of was hoping that they would give me a second order so I can make extra money, but no. We got
Does it bother you
Jenny,
when people talk about the best 45ers on the planet?
All right, just a quick pro tip from many bad experiences. If you guys are ever trying to find an apartment, or if you're delivering to an apartment, always make sure you sit there and find out where this place is on the map, so that we don't have to just drive around aimlessly. Or you can use the Beans app. Personally, I use the Beans app every once in a while if there's not a sign that's like readable, which happens all the time, unfortunately. But lately I've just been making sure that I look at the map and I know exactly where it is, because the Beans app can kind of take a little bit to like pull up, and I don't know, it's just not as quick sometimes. Alright, just dropped off the order, and we got another one. I like to, as soon as I know exactly where it is, I like to just complete the delivery. Oh, damn, it's perfect, but it's only $3. Ugh, bummer. Okay. But I'll probably, this area that I'm in is not a bad area to be in for getting more deliveries, so I'm just gonna kind of take my time. Be right back, because I know we're gonna get an order. Alright, so, just got an order as I was pulling out of the apartment complex. We're going Chick-fil-A. It's gonna take me about a mile north of where, outside of the direction he needs to go. It's only $6, but it's only 3 miles, so not a big deal. And I was gonna drive 2 of those miles anyway, so gonna make, what is it? Gonna be $13 just on the way back from the gym today. Totally didn't go out of my way, totally didn't waste any time. So this is what I'm talking about though. Just casual dashing, just do it as it comes, and like whatever's most convenient, that's what should be important for you. Rather than like, I just am not a big fan of putting on a bunch of extra miles on your car and just driving around all day. And we all know at the end of the day, if you're just driving around and you're not doing anything that's gonna like better your career or anything, you're kind of left at the end of the day with just a broken down car. I know a lot of people are gonna argue with me on that and say like, oh, like I love door dashing and I'm gonna DoorDash as long as I possibly can. A lot of people write that in the comments, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Door dashing is definitely, for me, it's very relaxing, to be honest, and it gives me something to do. It's like, who doesn't want a little bit of extra money? I just drive an expensive car and I don't want to put too many miles on it. So if I had a, for the longest time, for the last 3 years, I was doing DoorDash every day, making $70 a day. So it's not like I'm against driving around doing DoorDash all day. I just personally don't think that I want to do it anymore, just because of how many miles I put on my car this year. A lot, 40,000 miles. Not exactly stoked about that. 50,000 miles. So 50,000 miles in just over a year and about 3 months or so. That's a lot of miles. And a lot of that was DoorDashing. That's why I'm not a big fan of it. But anyways, all right. Be right back. Picking up this Chick-fil-A order. Not gonna lie, I kind of want Chick-fil-A. But I just drank this protein shake. It's mostly gone, which is, it was 2 raw eggs, a little bit of coffee, almond milk, bananas, peanut butter, MCT oil, and whey protein from Garden of Life. So at least getting healthy, you know, trying to stay as healthy as I possibly can. Right, we got the Chick-fil-A order. Bam. There's more to it, but yeah. So gonna make a quick $6 real quick. Gotta drive probably about a mile north or so from here. Be right back. Just dropped off the second order. Got about 3.5 miles to drive west. Not sure we're gonna get another order. We aren't exactly in the greatest area to get orders. We're a little bit north of where all the restaurants are. So probably gonna wrap the video right there. If you guys haven't yet, again, please like this video. Just smash that like button real quick for me. And also subscribe if you guys haven't yet. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, just stick around maybe for the next video. We'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't yet, check out offaccessacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company. We make some awesome shoes, barefoot sole, great for your feet. We'll see you in the next one. Use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER. Almost forgot that. I think I might have said, I don't know. Anyways, peace.